Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making crispy eggplant with less oil, with less ingredients. Eggplant, one big, cut into thin slices. Water, salt, salt as per taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Mix all dry ingredients. Now transfer eggplant into a bowl. Add dry powder, mix everything. Semolina half cup, coat nicely. Oil 2 tablespoon. Cook on medium heat or fry until changes color. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.